Uh, Today I'm going to show how to do the code changes for adding the reviewers in IJET. Last time you said you were facing some issue, okay? So some alignment issue. So what I did now, let me show you. See, actually, this is our home page. We know that there are so many reviewers already added in IJET. That page itself is showing. I mean, huge data. I mean, huge reviewer details. Let me go to the page, board members. So what I did here, right? I did some pagination. Pagination, nothing but having the information so by splitting up like this. Okay. So this is the way I did. So if you see here, this is the first page, and when you click the second page, it will come to the second page, and third page it will go to the third one. But if you see here sixth or seventh, I allowed some more data because I don't want to go one. I mean ninth, 10th, 11th like that. So let it be. So that's why I added like this. So what you have to do, right? Just go to the eighth page. Here you can see, right? Here you can see board member dot. I mean board member 8 dot html. This is the page. So if at all you are going to add a new reviewer, so you have to add here only in board member 8.html. So what you have to do, right? So take the latest reviewers whoever submitted their resume in IJET. Just go and copy this code from GoDaddy server. So usually I use this FileZilla. So usually I'll transfer. I'm not directly connecting the GoDaddy because I'm not only doing the code changes on current issue page. I'm doing the lot of code changes. But you should not use this one because it will overwrite the files or something. The problem will come if at all we did anything wrongly here. Okay. So that's the reason. So what happened here, right? So you take only this file alone from GoDaddy. So and take any one of the reviewer. So use whatever that creditors that you are using. So if you go to that board member 8.html, I think this is the one. Let me check. Yeah, this is the one. So if you see clearly, so this is the page. Okay, just copy this page. I mean, you don't want to copy. See here because there are only two reviewers are added here, right? So we are going to add few more. So who was submitted. So like this. So up to this you can leave as it is. Let me check where we are in. I think these data are unwanted. Let it be. We are in table data. So if you are seeing the line number 245, this table data, right? That's it. This is the honorable editor board and the reviewer committee members. So this one is this guy, and this portion we consider as a table. So here the table will start where this table will ends. Here the table will ends. Then the center. This portion is for this guy. I mean the pagination setup. So this guy only. I mean, let me show you. Only this portion you have to do the code change. Okay. If you see, uh, just copy and paste it one more like this, and this portion specifically. I mean, this one portion uh, is having two different reviewers. One guy is TTM Kannan, and the other one is, I mean, this one is empty. You can use this guy also. I mean, here you can use, and this portion. I think if you see here, there is a table here. You can see, right? this portion inside that the first table itself there is a inner table. The inner table nothing but it's considered this one. So you have to upload the png file inside this board member folder in GoDaddy, whoever the photo you are going to add it here. And you should and in position the similar way you should how the guys are giving the position and address and department of chemical, similarly you have to update here. If you are going to that another one, then you have to copy this entire cell and you have to use it. Okay, similar way you have to do and add the reviewers here. If at all you are having any issues or any doubt, just let me know. So don't wait to just make a not video record, I mean audio record and send it to me in WhatsApp. That's a scenario. So it will be easy for you. I mean, this is the page you are going to do the code changes. Already I uploaded this page into GoDaddy. Just copy from there. Okay. If you see here, this pagination part is very simple, very straightforward. One, two, three, four, up to 8 pages we have. So I added the 8 pages lines here and I redirect into the respective pages. That's it. It's very simple code. I mean, I can get that more effective way other code as well. I mean, but this would work. We don't want more effective way one as it is time consuming process. Okay, we don't want to go with that. Now this is very simple and straightforward. Just we can stick with this one now. But I mean, at least for just for sake. If you notice this one, this is for left arrow and this one is the right arrow. But I simply redirect to the left arrow is for first page and the right arrow is the last page. But you don't want to consider about this one whenever you are doing the code changes, as you are doing the code changes only on board member dot 8. Since it has only two reviewers, you can add up to 10 or I think 10 means 10 or 15 something, you know, right? I think you can add 12 or 14 reviewers and let me know if there is any issues or doubts. Okay, we have to send the reviewer certificate and complete this portion. This is for IJET I done, and I hope you only working on that current issue HTML page and archives page, because I did some changes on IJET home pages and all. I hope you should not overwrite any of the your local code other than current issue and archives. Okay, because I did lot of code changes. Don't overwrite any other HTML files in IJET or IJCT. Okay, the reason I did many changes except that current issue and archives files. Okay, like index.html and board members.html and other files. Okay, so I hope you will understand and you are going to do these changes for adding the reviewers for IJET first. Do one by one. Just let me know once this page is done. I think seventh. How many of them I added? I think one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 18 plus 18. I think 36 members I added. I mean, in this page. I think you can also add the same number of pages in the about number 8.html as well. Okay, just let me know. And then what else? That's it. I did some changes on here. I removed unwanted unused information and all on this index.html. Similar same thing I will do it in IJET, and probably by I will do it by tomorrow. So you just do these changes and confirm me by tomorrow. Okay, and then I don't see much paper comes for IJET and IJCT and ISAR journals. So again, I will jump in and I will going to monitor this one for some times until we are stable. I hope you are indexing the papers whatever we are publishing in our journal in Google Scholar. I think so. And let's see. Don't forget to index that one immediately. I mean, after you publishing in our journal. Okay, for all the papers. That's the important thing. And then already we discussed that we should not keep all the files and all the mails on inbox as we don't. I mean, as we are facing some issues and also monitoring stuff is difficult. If there is no action on that email, then we will move it to um, the completed folder. So only the inbox is the our action item. I don't think so. Why these many mails are again standing in inbox still? But anyway, I will look into it and I will one by one I will check with you and I will close this one by. I mean, next 2 to 3 days we'll finish this one. But work on the stuffs, whatever these new items. I mean, new mails sent by the authors. And as I told you, for example, this is LinkedIn profile. Just click this, and if you are seeing like this in LinkedIn files, click unsubscribe. You have unsubscribed. That's it. So we are not going to get that mail. So there are three mails are there. Just select and delete it. These all are in LinkedIn files. Just delete it and what about the social? There is no message. Here there is only remember mail came. And I think these are already followed up by you. I don't know. So take care of that ISAR mail as well. So also I'm going to looking into the ISAR website as well. And soon I think I will once I look into I mean even this website, right? I did lot of changes for this one. If you see here archives, right? See here only this guy is I have not updated yet. The rest of the guys are updated. See, I redirected to the old page. So everything I updated. So all the things are redirected. It's properly updated now. So this guy is ready. I mean, I will work on these journals and I will get the paper and I know how what is the problem here. Let's see that. Let's see on this guy. And what about this? I mean, you have to look into this one and send the ad mail if possible. And what else? That's it. If there is any question, just let me know. Okay. We need to focus on this stuff sharply and get the things done. Also, just be in mind that don't upload any other files other than current issue or archives pages. Okay, because I did lot of changes. Okay, you going forward, if you are doing any changes, just download it from GoDaddy and use that one. Okay, because if you are having any already downloaded files, right, it might be older one. Okay, because I done lot of changes in on IACR journal as well. Okay. So that's why. But there are so many changes I did. Just ensure that don't upload the older code that you have on your local machine other than current and arches. I think that's it.